Sweet peas, Lothyrus odoratus, are lovely, fragrant flowers that can add beauty and charm to any garden. Here is a guide on how to grow sweet peas. Selecting and preparing a planting site, choose a location that receives full sun to partial shade. Sweet peas prefer cooler temperatures, so some shade during hot afternoons can be beneficial. Ensure the soil is well drained and fertile. Work the soil by removing weeds, rocks, and other debris. Incorporate organic matter like compost to improve soil quality. Planting sweet peas. In regions with mild winters, sow sweet pea seeds in the fall for early spring blooms. In colder climates, sow the seeds indoors 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost date or directly outdoors once the soil has warmed up. Make a trench or furrow in the soil that is about 1 inch deep and 6 inches wide. Space multiple trenches about 12 to 18 inches apart to allow the plants room to grow. Soak the sweet pea seeds in water overnight or nick the hard seed coat with a nail file to improve germination. Plant the seeds about 1 inch apart along the trench, then cover them with soil and gently firm it down. Watering and care. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water deeply when necessary, especially during dry spells. Mulch around the base of the plants to help retain moisture and suppress weed growth. Once the seedlings emerge, provide support such as a trellis, stakes, or a fence for the sweet peas to climb on. Fertilizing. Sweet peas appreciate nutrient-rich soil. Incorporate a balanced fertilizer into the soil before planting or apply a side dressing of compost or a slow-release fertilizer once the plants are established. Avoid excessive nitrogen fertilizers, as they can promote leafy growth at the expense of blooms. Pruning and maintenance. Pinch out the tips of the plants when they reach about 4 to 6 inches tall. This encourages branching and fuller growth. Remove any spent flowers, deadheading, regularly to prolong the blooming period. Monitor for pests such as aphids or powdery mildew. Treat any issues promptly using appropriate organic or chemical controls. Harvesting and enjoying. Sweet peas are known for their delightful fragrance. Harvest the blooms regularly to encourage continuous flowering. Pick the flowers in the morning or evening when they are at their freshest. Place them in water immediately to prolong their vase life and enjoy their fragrance indoors. Remember, each sweet pea variety may have specific requirements, so it's always beneficial to read and follow the instructions on the seed packet or consult local gardening resources for variety-specific guidance.